Welcome to our video, Extreme Idiots Operating Heavy Equipment. In this footage, we'll be showcasing some of the most unbelievable and dangerous incidents involving heavy equipment operators who push their skills to the limit, resulting in some catastrophic fails. So, watch the video until the end and prepare to be shocked and amazed by some of the craziest and most dangerous moments captured on camera. This incident occurred while dismantling a bridge. The concrete piles could not withstand the load, and the excavators collapsed along with the concrete slabs. The worst thing that can happen is if your car stalls right on the railroad crossing, which is what happened at this car transporter. There was an accident while driving the fence posts into the ground with a pile driver. The gas pipe was hit, and under great pressure, the gas broke out. Fortunately, it did not ignite, and the worker was not injured. When unloading by crane, the excavator got caught on the side of a dry cargo ship, and in order to gently lower it to the ground, they decided to put tires under it, which perfectly absorbed the impact. If you live in the US, be sure to watch the video to the end. I will tell you how you can save thousands of dollars. In case of inaccurate calculation or low qualification of the driver, such situations happen when a large machine is overturned. But this is not the most epic miscalculation of the operator. Watch the video to the end to see more epic mistakes. This could have been a very epic and expensive video, but it's just toys. This is what can happen when an employee doesn't get paid for his work and decides to get back at the company by ruining the equipment. I don't think he solved his problem this way. Most likely he created more problems for himself. It looks like this excavator operator knows how to break the laws of physics. For such heavy equipment, the little red car can seem like a tin can. Come up with a caption for this video and write a comment. Looks like this guy got a little overheated in the sun or tired from his job. The standard lifting capacity of the CAT 980L is 45,602 pounds. Imagine the weight of this marble block if such a powerful machine can't lift it. I have seen many videos like this, and I always have one question as to why this is the case. Don't the truck drivers notice that their body is lifted? Write a comment if there is an explanation. A high-voltage cable was damaged while digging. The work had to be stopped for a while. The driver of this dump truck made a fatal mistake. He lifted the body loaded with crushed rock at a steep incline on a curve. The body could not withstand the load and collapsed. The height of the load was not taken into account, and the trailer got stuck under the bridge. This shows the unprofessionalism of the driver. McDonald's is closed today for technical reasons. Come back tomorrow. Obviously, this video should end in a collapse, but the operator of this track loader made it through, even though he walked on thin ice. And the last video for today shows us a situation where drivers thought they could cross the river and found themselves stranded. By the way, don't switch the video. If you live in the United States, the information I'm about to tell you may be very useful to you. Introducing a website that unlocks access to an incredible selection of used and repossessed government cars, trucks, and SUVs, all available for purchase at up to 95% discounts. With over 4,000 government auction listings throughout the United States, this website is the perfect place to find your next vehicle. You'll have access to both live and online auctions, so you can participate in the way that suits you best. Why pay full price for your next car when you could save thousands of dollars by purchasing at a government auction? Don't miss out on this opportunity to get an amazing deal. Click the link in the attached comment to start browsing today.